Ay, we're making a video. Ayun, nakalala ko na. Yan.
We're here with Daniel Redox and I'm Jay. We're making vlogs video.
Yeah, for sure.
Gaming. Let's go.
Okay.
We're making a video with fun in the court.
Uy! Where is the court?
Just follow me.
Okay.
We're in the court furthermore. Village.
Just more steps.
Just a few more. We're at the welcome village and finding a court. Pero naman.
Pinapause ko nga documentary.
Upo muna habang naglat. And we're here. The court.
Ang dami.
Find the new friend.
Don't you support? These are my friends. Papa. This is Kayan. This is CJ. And this is Stan. Never ball.
Yes.
Just video me.
Is that okay now?
Gago, double.
Yeah, shoot the ball. Why are you so mad?
Can we going? Can we go somewhere?
Okay. Maglakad muna tayo.
Ay na. Naglalakad na tayo.
Now, we're gonna go in the playground.
Yeah. I will gonna
The
go.
old playground.
Yeah.
Go.
We will cut this. If we do.
We will cut this. So we're here in the playground. Let's go back to the court because there are many people in the playground. So we cannot play basketball. So we're gonna go to the court and sit down there. Okay, bye.
Okay, where the court.
Sarado.
Fuck, this is locked.
Nakabidyo na.
We just
The court is locked. So, we're gonna go to our home. So, soon up to our next video. Our YouTube channel is Daniel Relax. And soon for another video. Bye. Kinat mo pa.
And subscribe.
Oh,